YouTube channel Ayurveda Basking. In this video we will discuss the Rachna Sharira paper 2 top MCQs. First MCQ is the kala which is present in all sandhi is dash. A. Mamsadhara kala, B. Medodhara kala, C. Shleshmadhara kala, and D is the Raktadhara kala. Right answer is the Shleshmadhara kala, and the related shloka is Chaturthi Shleshmadhara Nam Sarva Sandhishu Pranavritta Bhavati. Means this Shleshmadhara is present is all the joint that is sandhi. In which of the following Brunner's gland are present? Duodenum, jejunum, ileum, stomach. Brunner's gland are submucosal gland, and these are present in the duodenum. How much is the distance in centimeter from incisor to the esophageal constriction produced by arch of aorta? 15 centimeter, 22.5 centimeter, 27.5 centimeter, 40 centimeter. Right answer is the 15 centimeter. Three large openings in the diaphragm are at which of the following vertebral level? T8, T9, T10, T7, T8, T9, 8, 10 and 12, 9, 10 and 12. And the three openings are T10, T8, T10 and T12. 8 is for inferior vena cava, that is inferior vena cava opening. 10 is for esophageal opening, and 12 is for the aortic opening. So these are the three major openings present in the diaphragm: T8, T10 and T12. Anjali Parmana of the Majja Dhatu: A 10, B 1, then C is 2 and D is 4. 10 मज्जा प्रमाणा किसका होता है? ये होता है वोटर का, आप भूता का। 1 होता है मज्जा के लिए, 2 जो होता है वो होता है मेदस के लिए, और 4 जो होता है मूत्रा के लिए। इसको सीक्वेंस में याद करने के लिए श्लोका जो है वो है मज्जा, मेदस, वसा, देन मूत्र, पित्तम, श्लेषम, देन शकृत, आश्रित, रसा and apa. So majja is 1 parmana, medas is 2, vasa is 3 parmana, mutra is 4 parmana, pitta is 5 parmana, shleshma is 6, shakrit is 7, asrig is 8, rasa is 9 and apa is 10. So right answer will be the majja. Number of Sadhya Pranahara Marma is A option 44, B is 33, C is 19 and D is 18. 44 कौन से मर्मा होते हैं? Vekilekara marma, that will cause deformities. 33 are the Kalantar Pranahara marma that could cause death in around 1 month. And Sadhya Pranahara marma that cause the sudden death are only 19 in number. Next question is all the branches of abdominal aorta except. So इनमें से हमें बताना है कि कौन सी abdominal aorta का ब्रांच नहीं है. ऑप्शन ए celiac trunk, ऑप्शन बी superior mesenteric artery, ऑप्शन सी inferior mesenteric artery, and option D is subclavian artery. This abdominal aorta have majorly 4 branch. One is the ventral branch, next is lateral, then dorsal and terminal. This ventral have the branches like celiac trunk, superior mesenteric artery, inferior mesenteric artery, and this lateral give rise to inferior phrenic artery, middle suprarenal artery, renal artery and gonadal artery. And this dorsal give rise to 2 mainly, that is lumbar and medial sacral artery. Terminal give rise to right and left common iliac artery. So celiac trunk, superior mesenteric and mesenteric, ये तीनों किसकी ब्रांच है? ventral branch of abdominal aorta, but this is not the branch of abdominal aorta. Pear patches get ulcerated in dash a rheumatic fever. B is the cholera. C is the typhoid. D is the scrub typhus. And the right answer is the typhoid fever. In typhoid fever, pear patches get ulcerated. The kala which bear all the four type of food moving from amasha to pakvasha is A. Purisha kala, B is pitta kala, C is rakta kala, D is mamsa kala. Purisha kala is that which line the pakvasha, colon, cecum and contain the purisha. Pitta is the kala which contain the food that is eaten by four type like liking, eating, chewing, and Rakta kala which contain the sira and veins related with the yakrat pliha specially. Mamsa having the branching pattern of the sira, dhamni, srota, etc. So right answer that contain four type food is the Pitta kala. Artavaha srotas is explained by dash acharya. A. Sushrutacharya, B. Charkacharya, C. Madhavacharya and D is the Nanafacharya. So Acharya Sushruta explain the Artavaha Srotas. All of the following structure are present in the hilum of the kidney except. So in hilum of the kidney, the sequence is like that. Option A, renal artery. Option B is the renal vein. C is the urethra and D is the renal pelvis. In hilum, these structures are arranged in web sequence. मतलब सबसे पहले होगा renal pelvis, सबसे पहले हो जाएगा renal vein, then हो जाएगी renal artery and लास्ट में हो जाएगा renal pelvis. So इनमें कौन सा स्ट्रक्चर नहीं आ रहा? यूरेथ्रा. Which of the following form the posterior relation of the left atrium? Trachea, esophagus, pulmonary trunk and esophagus vein. Right answer is the pulmonary trunk. Testicular arteries are the branch of dash which artery? Testicular branch are the branch of the abdominal aorta, and in abdominal aorta they are the branch of the lateral division of the abdominal aorta, and lateral division give rise to gonadal artery that are the testicular and the ovarian arteries. Next question is the existence of grita in milk and guda in the sugar cane is explain the concept of dash kala. Option A is the Pitta kala, B is the Rakta kala, C is the Medho kala and D is the Shukra kala. Right answer is the Shukra kala. It is explaining like that जिस तरीके से घी प्रेजेंट होता है मिल्क के अंदर एंड शुगरनेस और गुड जैगरी प्रेजेंट होता है शुगर केन के अंदर, वैसे ही शुक्रा प्रेजेंट होता है बॉडी में ऑल ओवर द बॉडी. अकॉर्डिंग टू द सुश्रुता आचार्य द फिफ्थ लेयर ऑफ त्वक इज कॉल्ड A. वेदिनी, B. ताम्रा, C. श्वेता and D is the lohita. So there is one trick you can remember all set Vikram. First is the Avbhasini, name of the layer, then second is the Lohita, third is the Shweta, fourth is the Tamra, fifth is the Vedini, then Rohini, sixth and seventh is the Mamsa Dhara. So this is the trick you can remember. A. All set Vikram. A is representing Avbhasini, L is representing Lohita, then S is representing the Sveta, T is representing the Tamra, V is representing the Vedini, R for Rohini, M for Mamsidra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Total 7 layers are there. So right answer will the fifth layer. Which one is the Vedini? What type of neurons is present in the olfactory mucosa? A option unipolar, B bipolar, C is pseudopolar, D is multipolar. In olfactory mucosa, bipolar neurons are present. The Moolasthana of Raktavaha Srotas. A. Hridya, B. Yakrit and Pleha, C is the Vapavahana and D is the Vrikya. So Raktavaha Srotas का मूल स्थान क्या है? यकृत एंड प्लीहा. Dash is the layer of tvak is said to be the adhisthana of Kilasa. Kilasa is a skin disease. A. Avbhashini, B. Lohita, C. Sweta and D is the Tamara. Avbhashini is the first layer which showing the Panchabhuta Chaya. Panchabhuta Chaya means like in this present the Bhrajaka Pitta, that giving the radiance or complexion to the skin. Lohita is somewhat red in color, and in this some diseases are present. Shweta is white in color, Tamra is copperish in color, and Acharya said that is Tamra have the adhisthana for Vividha Kilasa. Adhisthana. So the right answer will be the Tamra. Which is the main artery of blood supply to the trachea? Option A. Thyroidal Emma artery, B. Inferior thyroidal artery, C is the intercostal artery and D is the none of these. This artery is supplying the main artery for the trachea, that is inferior thyroidal artery. How many millimeters is the diameter of the human eye? A 8, B 10, C 12 and D is 24. Right answer is the 24. Next question is, which among the following ganglion launches the cell bodies of secretomotor fiber of the parotid salivary gland? A is the geniculate ganglion, B is the otic ganglion, C is the pterygopalatine ganglion and D is the superior cervical ganglion. So right answer will be the otic ganglion. This ganglion is having the parasympathetic cell bodies that innervate the parotid gland. The height of an adult human according to the Acharya Charka. So according to the Acharya Charka and Vagbata, the total length of human is the 84 anguli. But according to the Sushruta Acharya, it is 120 angula. But हमें किससे पूछा गया? चारका आचार्य के अकॉर्डिंग, सो इट इज 84. हाउ मच इज द प्रमाणा ऑफ द पुरुषा? अभी हमने देखा था तो पुरुषा 7 नंबर पर आया था, दैट इज द 7 अंजलि. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, which of the following dhamni help in the function of inspiration and expiration? Acharya Charka explained there are around 24 dhamnis, in which 10 going upward, 10 going downward and 4 are going the transverse movement. These are responsible for all expiration, inspiration and sleeping, waking kind of activity. These are responsible for the absorption, digestion, assimilation process and excretory function, reproductive function, and these are supplying to the skin. So the therapies we are applying on the skin, the medicine we are applying on skin, this हमने innervate. हमें पूछा गया है कि इंस्पायरेशन और एक्सपायरेशन में कौन करता है हेल्प, तो इसमें हमारी ऊपर वाली धमनियाँ काम करती है, दैट इज़ द ऊर्ध्व धमनियाँ, एंड दिस इज 10 in number. Which among the following shrotas has Vrikka as a Moolasthana? Mamsavaha Shrotas, Medhovaha Shrotas, Mootravaha Shrotas, Svedovaha Shrotas. Vrikka is the Moolasthana of the Medhovaha Shrotas. Which among the following Shrotas has Raktavaha Dhamni as a Moolasthana as per Charka Sushruta? So Raktavaha Dhamni किसका मूलस्थाना है? रक्तवाह धमनी मूलस्थाना है ऑप्शन ए रसावाह स्रोतस, बी मांसावाह स्रोतस, सी मेदोवाह स्रोतस, डी इज मूत्रवाह स्रोतस. अकॉर्डिंग टू सुश्रुता आचार्य, दिस रक्तवाह धमनी इज हैविंग द टू मूलस्थाना. वन इज फॉर द रक्तवाह स्रोतस and another is the Mamsavaha Srotas. Mamsavaha Srotas. So right answer will be the Mamsavas wrote this. How many Avedya Shira are there in the body? Avedya Shira are that Shira that should not be suctioned during surgery or any medical treatment. A is 98, B is 108, C is 700, D is innumerable. Total there are 700 Shiras. Out of them 90 are Avedya and remaining are the Vedya Shira. So right answer will be the 98. Next is the which among the following is not a lateral branch of abdominal aorta. So lateral branch में abdominal aorta का कौन कौन आता है? अभी हमने पढ़ा था abdominal aorta की 4 major branch है, ventral, lateral, dorsal and terminal. Ventral give rise to celiac trunk, then superior mesenteric artery, inferior mesenteric artery. Lateral will give rise to inferior phrenic artery, middle suprarenal artery, renal artery and the gonadal artery. So लेटरल ब्रांच कौन है? नहीं है, ये तो है, ये भी है, ये भी है. फोर्थ कौन ब्रांच होना था? 4 होना था हमारे पास inferior artery. This is not the branch, so right answer will be this. A zygous vein drain into the A superior vena cava, B is the inferior vena cava, C is the right brachiocephalic vein, D is the right venal vein. So a zygous vein is draining into the superior vena cava. Which among the following does not form the posterior relation of the kidney? Diaphragm, psoas major, iliogastric and inferior vena cava. This is very direct question. Inferior vena cava obviously doesn't have any relation posterior to the kidney. Next question is which among the following which of the following intrinsic muscle of larynx is not supplied by the recurrent laryngeal nerve? A cricothyroid, B is thyroarytenoid, C is a lateral cricoarytenoid and D is the posterior cricoarytenoid. Most of the that is muscle of larynx is supplied by the recurrent laryngeal nerve except only a single muscle, that is the cricothyroid. The part of the lung aerated by the respiratory bronchiole, or you can say the segmental bronchiole, that is the bronchopulmonary segment. This is the structural or functional unit of the lungs, and both of lungs, like left and right lungs, each have 10 or 10 bronchopulmonary segment. This segment are supplied by the segmental bronchiole. Order of structure in the hilum of the kidney from before backward. अभी हमने देखा था pelvis, that is web, renal vein, artery and pelvis. Left renal vein drain into the option A inferior vena cava, option B is zygous vein, option C is the hemiazygous vein and option D is the accessory hemiazygous vein. Left renal vein is drained directly into the inferior vena cava through the pampiniform plexus. Next question is the in which of the following congenital anomaly does the external urethral orifice open into the ventral aspect of the penis instead into the tip of the glans penis? Option A epispadias, B hypospadias, C is pimposis and D is the parapimposis. एपिस्पेडिसिस मीन्स क्या होगा कि यहाँ पर पेनिस के डोर्सल सरफेस पर क्या होगा, ओपनिंग होगा. हाइपोस्पेडिसिस मतलब उसके वेंट्रल सरफेस पर होगा. सो राइट आंसर विल बी द हाइपोस्पेडिसिस. विच कला इज एक्सप्लेन्ड बाय द सिमिली ऑफ द एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ द जैगरी इन द शुगरकेन जूस? रक्तधरा, मेदोकला, पुरुषधरा एंड शुक्रधरा. दिस विल बी द शुक्रधरा कला. Next question is the which Mahabhuta is predominant in the Krishna mandala of the Netra? A is the Akasha, B is the Vayu, C is the Agni and D is the Prithvi. So right answer will the Agni. According to Acharyas, eye is having 3 different portions. One is like mandala, circular structure. There are 5 in number. Then there are 6 sandhi and 6 patlas. Organ of Corti is related to dash. A is the static equilibrium, B is the kinetic equilibrium, C is the sensory speech area, and D is the auditory senses. So it is responsible for the auditory senses. Medius rectus muscle of eyeball is supplied by second cranial nerve. Second cranial nerve is the optic nerve. Third cranial nerve, that is the oculomotor. Fourth cranial nerve, that is the trochlear, and sixth is the abducen. So right answer will be the oculomotor nerve. Which of the following sense is not relayed by thalamus into the cerebral cortex? A. Smell, B. Vision, C. Sound, D. is taste. Right answer is the olfaction, that is smell. Next question is, the skin disease like Kusta and Visharpa occur in the layers Lohita, Sveta, Tamra and Pidini. In Tamra we see that there is Kilasa. This Visarpa and Kusta particularly occur in the Vedani, that is the 5th layer. Receptors present in the ampullary part of the semicircular canal are known as A. Macula, B. Crista, C. Hair cell, D. is organ of Corti. Right answer is the cristae. Posterior 1/3 part of the tongue is innervated by A. Chorda tympani nerve, B. Glossopharyngeal nerve, C. facial nerve, D. is external laryngeal nerve. Right answer is the glossopharyngeal nerve. Nasolacrimal duct is open into A. superior meatus, B. middle meatus, C. inferior meatus, D. both B and C. That is nasolacrimal open into the inferior meatus. According to the Sushruta, the length of the antra of female is, actually according to the Sushruta, in male this is 3.5 vyama and in female it is 3 vyama. So male have 1.5 vyama more intestinal length as compared to female. बट हमें फीमेल में पूछा गया तो राइट आंसर विल बी द 3 व्यामा. अकॉर्डिंग टू द स्ट्रक्चरल क्लासिफिकेशन, शिप्रा मर्मा क्लासिफाइड एज ए. मांसा मर्मा, बी. सिरा मर्मा, सी. स्नायु मर्मा, डी. अस्थि मर्मा. राइट आंसर इज द स्नायु मर्मा. नंबर ऑफ पेकलेक्रा मर्मा इज, फर्स्ट हमने क्वेश्चन डिस्कस किया उसमें ये किया था. ए 19 तो सिद्ध प्राणहर होता है, 33 कालांतर प्राणहर्मा होता है, 8 होता है संधि वाला, देन 44 इट इज द राइट आंसर फॉर वैकल्यकरा. वामा प्रश्वा इज द मूल स्थान ऑफ डैश श्रोता. ए. प्राणवाह, बी. अन्नवाह, सी. उदकवाह एंड डी. इज मूत्रवाह. राइट आंसर इज द अन्नवाह स्रोतस. नेक्स्ट इज द ब्लाइंडनेस इज कॉज्ड ड्यू टू इंजरी ऑफ प्राणवाह स्रोतस, अन्नवाह स्रोतस, उदकवाह स्रोतस, मज्जावाह स्रोतस. राइट आंसर इज द मज्जावाह स्रोतस. हृदय इज द मूल स्थान ऑफ ए. प्राणवाह स्रोतस, रक्तवाह स्रोतस, रसवाह स्रोतस, बोथ ए एंड सी. राइट आंसर इज द, it is having the pranavaha srotas also and rasavaha srotas also. Right answer is the both A and C. Next question is, following artery is not the branch of celiac trunk. अभी हमने देखा था celiac trunk की कौन सी ब्रांच नहीं है. एक्चुअली celiac trunk ब्रांच किसका है? It is a branch of the abdominal aorta ventral division. And this celiac trunk having branches, 3 major branches. First is the left gastric branch, then common hepatic artery and splenic artery. So right answer will be the A. splenic artery, B. left gastric artery, C is the common hepatic artery and D is none of this. So all these are branch of common celiac trunk. Termination of abdominal aorta located at the level of A option T 11 and 12, B option L1, L2, C option L4, L5 and D is none of these. Right answer will be the L4 and L5. Coronary sinus is drained into dash chamber of heart. Option A right ventricle, option B left ventricle, left atrium, C is left ventricle and D is the none of this. So right answer with the none of this because it is draining into the right atrium through the Thebesian valve. Median umbilical ligament is attached to dash part of the urinary bladder. A apex, B base, C is neck and D is the infralateral part. Answer is the apex, that is known as the urachus. Known as the urachus. Sorry, spelling is like this, urachus. The length of the prostatic part of male urethra is about A. We know urethra is having two parts, posterior and anterior. Posterior is proximal and anterior is distal. This is divided into prostatic, pre-prostatic, prostatic and post-prostatic. So हमें पूछा गया है कि प्रोस्टेटिक का कितना लेंथ होगा, दैट इज अराउंड 3 centimeter long. The length of ureter is about A 8 inch, 10 inch, 12 inch and 15 inch. It is around 15 inch. Next is the trachea commences at the level of A C3, B C4, C C5 and D is the C6. Right answer is the C6. Means trachea यहाँ से क्या होता है, स्टार्ट होता है. Structure arching on the right principal bronchus is A azygous vein, B right pulmonary artery, C both A and B, D is none of the above. So right answer will be the structure arching on the right pulmonary bronchus. This is not sure. Total lobe present in the prostate glands are, there are total 5 lobe. The number of mandala present in the nether, we already discussed, there are 5 mandala and 5 mandala, 6 sandhi and the 6 patla. Okay guys, thank you.